About this item: QC 3.0 fast charging and data sync. The USB-A to USB-C cable supports safe high-speed charging 3A and data syncing speed up to 480 MB/s. 5.6K Omega resistor provide outstandingly reliable conductivity and stability and protect your devices and charging adapters from damage. Durable and heavy-duty integral seamless stretch process, high pressure resistance. Aluminum alloy shell by micro-arc oxidation process makes the shell surface harder and more wearable. Nylon braided with a tested 10,000 plus bend lifespan, more durable with best price for long life usage. Reversible connector. etguuds USB-A to USB-C cable keeps up with the latest trend of USB interface. The user-friendly design allows you to plug into all USB Type-C compatible devices without worrying about the orientation of the port. Widely compatibility. etguuds 3 feet USB Type-C cables, fast charging, well compatible with Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e, S10 Plus, 5G, S8, S8 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, S8 Plus, S9 Plus, Note 8, Note 9, Note 10, Note 10 Plus, 5G, A10e, A20, A30, A40, A40, SA50, A60, A70, A80, M30, SA9/9, SA9 Star, A8s, 2018, A6s, C9, C7 Pro, C5 Pro, LG G5, G6, G7, V40, V35, ThinQ, V30s, V30, V20 Stylo 45, G7/G7 Plus/G7 Power/G6/G6 Plus, not include G6 Play, ZZ2, Z3, X4, LG G